So we'll stop there. After that, we'll be heading towards the culture program. Well, you'll experience the different region, dance and traditional of Bhutan. On top of that, you'll experience the yak dance. Okay,
Yes.
some mark dance. I think you have experienced the
Yes,
mark
yes,
dance
yes.
before. So in our country, it's very sacred to experience the mark dance because it will be hosted once in a year. Okay, so these days we don't have any festival. That's why we are going up there to experience the mark dance, the, the yak dance, the every region dance, mainly to experience the culture of Bhutan. Okay, with me you'll experience the history of Bhutan, but you won't experience the culture. That's why we are taking up there to experience the culture. Okay,
Okay.
so today program after culture show, then we'll visit the Buddha statue, one of the tallest statues in our country. Okay, after that, I will let you experience the Hindu Mandir. Maybe some of you are Hindu, right?
Yeah.
So you can visit the Hindu Mandir.
Yeah.
It has been gifted by His Majesty towards the Hindu devotees here.
Yeah.
Bhutan is unified by the Tibetan master. Okay, it's not unified by an ancestor. Okay, it's unified by the Tibetan master. So actually, when he visited Bhutan, Bhutan is somewhat like a not vigilant country. It have Bhutan have a lot of civil war time and again, not totally looked upon by the leaders and all. We don't have a king at the time. So that master he have visited here. He have unified the Bhutan. So he have introduced the culture of Bhutan, starting from our dress, starting from our food, starting from our festival things and all, starting from our language also. So that master is very, very important in our country. So during his time, so especially about that bone actually is that one is known as a Rangjung Kharsapani. So interesting thing about the Bhutan fort is in the world we have a thousand of fort, but all of the fort are conquered by the enemy, right? It's a climb and the controlled by the enemy. But the good things about the Bhutan fort is none of the invasions have conquered the fort. Okay, so that's why Bhutan fort are especially built on top of the mountain near the river bank. We have a river Wangchi. Oh my God.
वेल आपण आता जे बघत आहोत इथे याला म्हणतात ताशीचो झोंग. ताशीचो झोंग हे भूतानच्या प्रशासन आणि धर्म याचा केंद्रबिंदू आहे आणि इथे राजाचं स्वतःचं कार्यालय आहे. थोडे मंत्री बसतात इथे आणि जे खोनपो म्हणजे जे भूतानचे सर्वोच्च धार्मिक प्रमुख आहेत यांचं देखील इथे मुख्यालय आणि ती वर्षातले 6 महिने हे धार्मिक गुरु म्हणजे उन्हाळ्यामध्ये इथे बसतात आणि आपलं काम करतात. त्याचप्रमाणे ही अतिशय सुंदर अशी वांगछू नदी आहे. या वांगछू नदीच्या काठावर बसलेलं आहे. ह्याचं हे जे आर्किटेक्चर आहे हे अतिशय सुंदर आर्किटेक्चर आहे. याच्यामध्ये लाकूड आणि कोरीवकाम याचा अतिशय सुंदर मेळ घातलेला आहे आणि याचं छत हे नेहमी सोन्याचं असतं. हे वरती दिसतं तुम्हाला ते सोनेरी छत आहे आणि तो त्यांचा जो पिवळा आणि लाल असा झेंडा दिसतोय त्याला ते त्याचा धर्माचा झेंडा असं म्हणतात. अतिशय सुंदर असं वेदर आहे. मागे अतिशय छान डोंगर आहे. तिथे दूर तुम्हाला दिसत असेल की नाही माहीत पण अतिशय छान असा बुद्धांचा स्टॅच्यू आहे. ही एक व्हॅली आहे. तुम्हाला बघितलंच तर कळेल की दोन्ही बाजूला डोंगर आहेत. दोन्ही बाजूला डोंगर आहे आणि त्या व्हॅलीमध्ये आणि ही जी जमीन होती ही जमीन एका कपलची होती. त्या कपलने ही जमीन धर्मासाठी डोनेट केली म्हणून याला टानिछो म्हणतात. टानिछोचा अर्थ आहे लक. सो दिस पर्टिक्युलर प्लेस ब्रिंग्स अ व्हेरी गुड लक. सो तुमच्यासाठी टानिछो झोंग. झोंग म्हणजे किल्ला.
어떻게 지금 봐. 지금 컴퍼니 एक पचा नहीं
Excellent.
Thank you.
What is the name of this instrument?
Yangchin.
Yangchin.
야 지금 해. 어떻게 지금 봐. Okay, सब have a seat here, okay? Okay, kususang pula. Okay, so in our culture, the consumption of the liquor is kind of a culture here, okay? So when we have important guests in our home, so we always welcome them with a wine, okay? So as a kind of gestures, as a kind of appreciation, you need to take a few bites, okay?
Tell this ara is made up of what?
Okay, so ara is made up of rice and the wheat, okay? So it's kind of a Chinese wine or the Japanese wine, okay? But the alcohol rate is very high. So that's why here amchi mimu is strong. So they don't have much here, but in a farmhouse, in a traditional house and all, it will be very high. But here it's a mild, okay? You can try it.
ते जाऊ घेऊ बघू.
Ah.
नाव घेऊ.
엉신아 나 도수 춤에 라센다 바다 낭작한 망이우는 봐. These are the traditional boot.
I was in Russia. In Russia, there is place called Kamchatka.
Ah.
Kamchatka, they wear these kind of shoes, but little different with the skin on that.
Ah, yes.
That is called as unte. What do you call this?
초람, 초람, 초초. छोला में पता गोलम दान रुकी हुआ ना हाँ गोविंद एक पची तो नहीं माग 진담 자스칼 징기미나 또 진짜 삽삽해면서 바나 짐을 뚝스 개미 왜 진다 슝라도 똑강 뛰기 슝자 자심이 망포레 एकलाने 미나오나라 아이게 덴데 과 하골 말라버디
Savashyas Durud. But it is in Russian.
Let's do all. Let's do like.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Get that?
Cheers for everybody.
Enjoy, Bhutan. Cheers.
Thank